not all chicken wings are created equal.
Huh.
They're all delicious. I mean, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Verklempt just talking about it. I love chicken wings. I can get down on some chicken wings. Today, I'm gonna show you some smoked blackberry barbecue chicken wings. Shut the front door, CJ Frazier.
Consider it shut.
On your way out with those movie quotes. Let me show you guys how to make smoked blackberry barbecue chicken wings. Super easy. Let me show you how to do it. Did I say that already?
Yep.
Well, I meant it twice. I've got my Blackstone preheating at low. Let's bring it up to medium. We're gonna start with our chicken wings. Now there is that age-old debate. Flats or drums?
Flats.
Drums. I got all drums.
Really?
Yeah! I was so excited. I was at the grocery store, they had all drums. I'm gonna go down with some oil, some Earl, if you will, or if you won't, and all of our beautiful drums right down on the griddle.
Why did you get an entire thing of drums?
Because I only like
You don't.
Spark.
No, you don't actually
steaks and
like the drums.
sparklers. I only like the drums. I mean, I'll eat the other ones. The other ones are fantastic. I like the drums.
He's a percussion man.
Oh. I don't know if you could hear it, but Ethan just chimed in with he's a percussion man. A little rough.
Yep.
Can you work on it, Ethan?
No more talking,
I'm a big fan of the Essential Essential Blend, which is not bland. I'm a big fan of the Essential Blend. It's got some garlic, it's got some other delicious flavors in there. It's basically like a good SPG seasoning. Let's give this a toss real quick and let them cruise while we get to the other fun part. You know what? I see some more exposed areas. I want to hit that with some more seasoning. You can be pretty generous with seasoning on chicken wings. I think it has something to do with the chicken fat. Was that a good salty chicken wing? Is everyone's favorite? Could be both. I'm not sure. All right, let's talk about the magic known as smoked blackberries. Where are my blackberries? Here they are. Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning blackberries. We're gonna add some flavor, some color, and a little bit of a change in texture. So let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our resting rack, and if you don't have one of these things, they're extremely versatile and super cool. Let's go ahead and put this on the cool side of our griddle. No heat over here, zero. Now we're gonna take our berries. Let's just go ahead and put them down. The reason I want this is because it's perforated, which means the smoke can get to all sides of the berries. And I also don't want the berries on direct heat. I want them to stay whole. Hey, now stay there. I want them to stay whole and let that smoke really hit all of them. So separate these out just like that. All right, now I've got a small little dish. It's actually not a dish. It's our
Rear grease trap aluminum tin.
He's good. I'm gonna poke some holes in this for some air. Whoa, geez. Oh no. Having a hard time here, guys. You know what? I'm okay with that. This is actually gonna really help with the specks on the. Get out of my head. Now today I've got some Western Wood cherry. I am a huge fan of Western Wood and a fan of cherry, so we're gonna put a good little bit of those in here, just like that. Now the holes at the bottom are gonna give us some airflow, allow for more smoke. I've got a Bernzomatic, or any torch will do. Let's just go ahead and get these lit and on fire. Can you see that, CJ? I'll do it this side for you.
Can you light it on fire maybe over at the Blackstone? So
Oh, sure.
Up a...
Hey,
Yeah, you're welcome.
look who knows so much. on the resting rack, we're gonna go ahead and torch it. We wanna get our smoke going. Now, again, we're not directly on the griddle surface. We don't have direct heat. So we have to kind of manipulate our Blackstone to do what we want it to do. So get a nice little ember at the bottom. That's when you know you're ready. Once we get that beautiful billowy smoke, there might be a little bit of a flame, but once we put our dome on top, that will stop. Dome over the top and let that smoke surround those berries. Now we can hit this every once in a while if we want to, just to keep that smoke nice and billowy. But this is only gonna take 5, 6, 7 minutes tops. The berries take smoke a lot faster than other proteins, so you really don't need a ton of time before the smoke turns acrid. Make sense? Perfect. Same page? Page 12, unless you're paying attention. Let's give a toss to our chicken wings and see how we're doing real quick. Oh yeah, we're starting to get color. And if you've never done chicken wings on your Blackstone, you're missing out. So easy, so fun.
And they're better with flat.
No, this is not correct. Actually, let me know down in the comments. Flats or drums?
There's two kinds of people in the world.
Yeah, those who like Neil Diamond and those who are wrong, who are right. Dang it, I always mess that up.
Stop making that joke.
All right, let's let our chicken cook. You know, we're looking about the same amount of time, 7 to 10 minutes or so. But once our berries are smoked, we'll move on to the next step. We've got about 2 minutes to go on our chicken and on our berries. Let's go and get our side burner on. I've got a small little pot over here. Let's go medium-low heat. Now we're gonna make our barbecue sauce that the black bear is gonna go into, but we can start with the base. We're gonna start with some ketchup. Go ahead and add a decent amount of ketchup to the bottom of our pan. This is kind of like a very easy barbecue sauce. We're also gonna go with some mustard and a bit of vinegar. Today I'm using aged sherry vinegar. I just really like the flavor of it. Now to get to our seasonings. I'm gonna start with smoked paprika. This one is incredibly important. Then we're gonna move on to just a touch of chili powder to give us a little body. We've got a little dried thyme. This also has a bit more of a savory flavor that I'm a big, big fan of. And a touch of ground cumin. Now don't go heavy on the cumin because it will get that flavor of like Tex-Mex food. You don't want that. You just want a touch to lift all of the sweetness through the roof. Speaking of sweetness, we're also gonna add a bit of brown sugar. And the last little bit is some of our essential blend. Now give all of that a stir together and let it come up till it's just warm. We don't wanna go hot. Warm enough for the sugar to dissolve. And that's pretty much it until we get to the berries. Sauce is looking good. Chicken wings are looking good. Actually, let's take a peek at the chicken wings really quick. I've got really even crispiness. Chicken fat gets really crispy and delicious. Oh yeah. You know what? I make chicken wings like this a lot. I kind of don't even miss fried chicken wings. This is more like a roasted chicken wing. It's like that roasted chicken fat, chicken skin. Woo. All right, ready for the moneymaker, CJ?
Let's do it, bro.
Look at these berries. Look at
Wait,
these.
I'm not ready.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Smoky, gorgeous berries. Can you see how the color has changed?
It's a great hack, man.
So maybe I can, yeah, we're still good. We still have our texture. I'm gonna come over here to the cutting board. Now check this out. It's changed color completely, but it's still whole. They're a little warm, but they're not hot yet. They're not turning into jelly, so we still have that bright sweetness. Hasn't turned into like a roasty sweetness.
Did they almost go from blackberries to raspberries?
Oh yeah,
Oh, boysenberries.
it's right, you know that.
Right into that.
Wrong show.
Blood.
Dang it. All right, let's get to our sauce now that our berries are done. So I've got my little food processor.
You sure?
Got it. It's playing tricks with me. Playing tricks in my heart. I'm gonna go with our base right down into our blender. Probably should have gotten a spoon for this, CJ.
Why a spoon?
I'm not doing it. This is really good. If you want to, you can thin this out with a little bit of beer or with some water if you want to. I might. Let's see how much juice comes out of those blackberries. All right, now let's bring it over here actually. Let me grab my tongs. Let's throw our blackberries right into the food processor. I tried this off camera. This is a really, really good barbecue sauce as is, so you don't have to add the blackberries. I like them. I think they're cool. Let's go with that much for now. All right, let's grab our little blender here, and we're gonna zap it. Now, this is a hot liquid, so make sure it doesn't pop at you. Make sure you have a towel or a cover on the top. Let's see what we're doing here. Beautiful. Look at the color changes. It gets darker and richer. Oh, to the yes. All right, let's peek. Can you see in there, CJ? Just wanna. Oh,
I see it. I'm a see
wow.
And
You know,
I'm
it's
liking.
a little thick. I'm gonna add just a touch of water because I want to glaze my chicken wings. Remember, you can always add more. Can't take it out.
Right.
There we go. I want it to be a little thinner to be more of a glaze. That looks good. Yep. Looky there. Gorgeous. Stunning. You know what? No, we're not gonna add more. That's it. That's it. We made it. All right, let's grab a bowl and throw all of our chicken wings in the bowl. Now, if you want to, you could leave these in the bowl for a little bit so they kind of steam and evenly cook, but I like to do it quick so that skin stays nice and crispy. Now, let's not do all of our sauce. Let's start with half and see how we're working. Oh, wow, come on. That might be enough, actually. Let's take our tongs and give it a toss. I would just, do the old
Toss?
school, the big toss.
Why
yeah.
not? Why not? You always say, hey, just toss it, CJ. And
Yeah.
I do it, and then I get it on me.
Yeah, because I don't want to get it. Oh, my goodness, CJ. Dude,
Why don't you just do the old school
smoked
toss?
blackberry barbecue wings.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right. Now, I definitely want to serve these party style. So if you have, I don't know, like a football party or a hockey party or something, you're trying to throw some tailgating action, definitely serve this family style. I'm gonna go this way. Can you see me, CJ? Okay, here we go. It's a little heavy with all that chicken. Oh, you beautiful babies. Come on, dude. Extra sauce. Boom. You can keep some of that extra sauce for dipping if you want to.
Dude, I don't
But
think
that
you
looks-
need to dip that. That is a lot of sauce.
That's saucy. That is saucy. Smoked blackberry barbecue sauce really is next level on that crispy chicken wing. I mean, very simple, very, very simple. I've got to let this cool down because I'm going to burn my face off if I try to eat it.
Yeah, dude.
I'm going to try this in 2 minutes. All right, it's been a couple minutes. It's cooled down. Here we go.
Dude, this looks messy. Yeah.
Juicy wing, crispy skin.
Does it cool down?
Barbecue sauce is so money. So good. It's one of those things. You made chicken wings. If you've never made your own barbecue sauce, go for it. Had a few extra fun little things like smoked blackberries. Can we talk about berries for a second? Check this out. So these little berries, they really have changed color and they've taken a lot of smoke. They're really fantastic just like this.
Dude, that was like
If you-
literally like less than 10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes, for sure. So it's treating your ingredient, giving it one extra step so that you can kind of change it just a little bit. Smoked blackberry barbecue. So I always do this at the end of videos. Once I start eating,
It's over.
once
for
it
you.
hits your tongue, it's
How about
so
me
good.
Do you a favor. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell. Be sure to check out all the other shows: Bruce's show, Destination Delicious, Chef and ET. Definitely check out Todd Betty,
Yeah.
CJ's first cooking show.
There you want.
But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat.
That it
where
is.
We help you become a better cook, one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you in the next video.
He's been paying it. That was word for word.
Kind of shocked.
He
I
pays
did it.
attention. See you guys. He did
Bye.
it. See ya.
Bye.